Good morning, Ma'am Cordovan. Today we'll discuss about integrated marketing, communication, and media choices. First, what is integrated marketing communications? I- Integrated marketing communication is a marketing strategy and ensure all promotional message and communicate efforts consistent, coordinate, and aligns across various channels. This goal is create a seamless brand experience and for customer enforcing a clear. This approach ensure that advertising, sales promotion, public relations, and direct marketing. This digital work together to create a seamless customer experience. Ang integrated marketing communications kay businesses build brand awareness, improve customers engagement, and increase the effectiveness of marketing efforts. Components of integrated marketing communications. First, advertising. A paid marketing strategy where businesses promote their product or services through media like TV, radio, social media, and billboard. Examples of advertising kana bitang nag-advertise kag usa ka product pinaagi sa pahinumdom sa TV or sa radyo. Social media like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter o uban pang mga magazine or mga. Next is public relations. Managing a company reputation that media coverage, sponsor, press release, and event to build trust. Example ani kana bitang Nike nga mo sponsor sila mga sapatos sa mga PBA player para bitaw mo sikat ilang product kanang mo andam sila mo sponsor og usa ka product. Sunod kay social media marketing using platform like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to interact with customers, build brand awareness. Using nga mga media adto sila nga mo post about sa imong mga product or mga services nga bag-o nga product para ma-aware imong mga customers and also such as achievements sa imong company or kanang lastly kanang interact or feedback from the customers. Next is direct marketing. Sending personalized message via email to target customer directly. Kana bitang mo send kag kanang email sa imong customer para ko anang kintahay nag-discount ka para ma-aware imong customer kanang mo send kag mga messages nila. For example kana kintahay kining clothing store mo send sila mga messages sa ilang customer nga og nag-discount sila og nag-offer or nag-limited offering sila para bitaw ma-aware lang mga customers mo na direct marketing. Sunod kay sales promotion. Short-term initiative like discounts, coupons, and giveaway to boost sales. Example ani kanang kintay ang isa ka coffee shop nag-offer sila buy one get one free pero every weekend ra mo na short-term incentives. Next kay personal selling. One-on-one interact where sales persons pursues a customers by a product or services. Example like kana bitaw ang isa ka sales lady sa usa ka kumpanya gi-pursue or giagni niya ang isa ka customer or explaining the benefits of the product or services para mo palit jud sila kaning mga personal marketing dapat lami jud ka nga mo istorya nga agnihon gini mo ang usa ka or customer para mo palit sila sa imong product mo na personal selling kanang imong iagni ang usa ka customer para lang jud mo palit sa imong product. Next is content marketing. Creating valuable content like blogs, videos, guides to attract and retain customers. Ang example ni kanang mga vlogger nga mga sikat kanang mga sikat kanang imo itong variant sila para lang i-content ang imong product or mga businesses gain customer kay para mas maagni mo gid sila nga ang mga tao especially if mga favorite nila nga vlogger nila ang mo content mausad nila na sila sa musunod sila sa mga produkto kay samot ang mga mga favorite nila mga vlogger. Manay content marketing ana mo magama sila og content pinaagi sa mga sikat nga vlogger kanang imong brand. So next is why is integrated marketing communication is important. First, strengthen brand images, make a company recognizable, trustworthy, and competitive. Next is increase engagement. Customer actively interact with a brand through media, website, or events. Next is boost sales on conversions. Effective marketing leads to more purchase and higher conversion rates. Next, improve cost efficiency. Help businesses achieve better results while spending less. Next is build trust and loyalty. Create long-term relations leading to repeat customers and loyalty. Next is media. What are the media choice? Media choice refers to different communication channels as business can use deliver its marketing messages to its target audience. Their choice influence how effectively company reach potential customers and engage with its brand. The right media choice depend to factors such as the target audience, budget, messages type, and marketing goals. Selecting the approach media help businesses maximize reach, improve engagements, and enhance brand position. Sunod kay types of media choice. First, traditional media or offline. This is the long establishment communicate channel used for mass marketing. Ang example ani nga traditional media kay mga TV, radyo, mga mga magazine, billboard or mga poster man siya traditional media. And next kay digital media. With the rise of internet, digital media become a dominant choice for marketing. Dominate choice for marketing to its ability to reach specific audience, track result, and provide interactive experience. Example ani kay mga Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or basta mga online mga digital media. Next is direct marketing. To involve direct communication with potential customers. To generate leading sales of engagement, it focus on personalized messaging and response drive to strategy. Mga example na kay door-to-door sales, kanang social media ads, direct email, telemarketing, or mga email marketing. Sama na siya direct marketing kanang mo direct sila or mo send sila mga messages. Next is importance of choosing right media. First, maximize react. Ensure the messages reach is the right audience effectively. Ang usa ka kumpanya nag-target nila kay ang mga target nila kay mga teenager nga mga mogamit og mga social media platform like TikTok, Instagram kaysa mogamit og mga newspaper or radio ads. Tas ang isa ka brand ang target sad nila kay mga professional nga mas mogamit og nga link mao na maximize react. Next is enhance engagement. Different media encourage different level for interactions. Ang usa ka social media marketing allows for two ways communicate where customers nga mo like, mo comment og mo share sa ilang content. Tas ang billboard or TV commercial kaysa mo gamit sila mga billboard or TV commercial one way communicate with no different interactions. Next is improve cost efficiency. Help businesses invest to most effective channel. Kintay ang isa ka small businesses nga limitado ra nga ang budget mo minimize animo ang pila ra ka budget nga na mahimo nga pila ra sa sila sa Facebook or mo Google Ads kaysa mahal nga TV commercial because they can target demographic at a lower cost. Next is student brand positioning. Aligns media choice with the brand strategy. Ang usa ka luxury fashion brand mahimong mo focus ra sila sa high-end nga magazine, premium social media content o mga influencer collaborations imbes nga magamit sila mga advertising nga nabase ra sa mga discounts. Next is 3CTP or first is segmentations. Segmentation is the process of dividing a large marketing into smaller groups for consumers who share similar characteristic needs or behavior. Segmentation is help businesses tailor their marketing strategy to specific customer group rather than using the one size fits all approach kanang sa kanang base gyapon sila sa demographic ang demographic mo base sila sa age, gender, income or education tas sa geographic kay mga habits, brand loyalty and using pattern tas sa psychographic kay mga personalized values, interests and lifestyles. Next is targeting. Targeting is the process of selecting to a specific group of customers, marketing segments that businesses wants to focus and serve with its product or services. Target selecting is specific marketing segments that business want to focus on. After identifying different segments, businesses analyze which one is the most profitable and aligns with their brand's student. Ang usa company nga sa sportswear nag-identify sila mga different segment but nag-decide sila to focus of young athletes that they create sportswear design is specifically for their needs, collaborate with young influencers and run ads to platform like sa Instagram and og TikTok kung asa sila nga active ang ilang mga grupo. Next is positioning. Is the process create unique image and identify for a product for brand in the minds of customer. Is the strategy of creating this distinct image from a brand or product in the minds of customers. It helps differentiate of businesses from competitors and highlights its unique selling points. Thank you.